Hey, it's greenbaywacky. I'm just in one of my live stream sets. I want to talk to you about Twitter just real quick, why I think you should have a Twitter account. Hear me out. Don't run like, oh, I tried Twitter, it didn't work for me. I hear that all the time. Most of the time, people have tried Twitter, it didn't work. They didn't put any time into it. Guys, you get out of things what you put into things, okay? And I hear it also, it's too complicated, I don't know how to use it. There's a million how-to videos on how to use Twitter. It's not that hard. Home, notifications, mentions, tweets, retweets. It's not that hard. Tagging people. But guys, here's the biggest thing. You need to use Twitter as a tool to promote other people. That's why you need to do it. Everyone in this community says, hey, I want to help other creators. I want to show support. Twitter is a great place to do it. Go through my tweets. How many are my own versus how many are other people's? I'm tweeting out other live streams. I'm tweeting out videos. I'm tweeting out music. I'm retweeting tweets that were important to people. I'm tweeting about things that matter. Guys, this is a great platform, Twitter, to get people to come to YouTube. You can use it to promote fellow content creators, and they will love you for it. The more they see you doing that, it makes them want to promote you. And I'll say it again. I had 30 followers. Now I have 1,081. It took 8 or 9 months. You do not have to work at Twitter 5 hours a day, 10 minutes a day, 15 minutes every 2 days. Use it as a place to promote and meet people. I have met incredible people that normally would be unreachable. If you had a YouTube channel with millions of followers, you would find that on Twitter, a channel such as that is much more approachable. On Twitter, it's a different playing field. Guys, you get out of things what you put into them. Twitter is a great tool. Get a Twitter account, get one started, start getting followers, start promoting other people's stuff along with your own stuff. People will see that. It will make a difference. Hard work will pay off. It's a great place to promote, to meet, and to lift up other fellow content creators. That's my advice from Green Bay Wacky.